Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, we'll be making something simple, something that does not require any power tools. You're gonna love this, you're gonna enjoy this, as this is going to enhance your home decor to the next level. So this is an easy project that you can try, and let me know down below if you're gonna try this. For the tools and the materials for this project, this is all the things that you're gonna need. Please remember your safety PPE as well. So what I was currently doing here, just removing the tags at the bottom of the bowls. So you have a choice to either choose plastic or either ceramic bowls. So I was just arranging to make sure that everything was in a nice form and everything was aligning and the patterns were flowing very well. So this is a very important stage that you must also take note as well. So I finally found a pattern of bowls that were going to work well, so I've decided to use my hot glue gun. So when you're using a hot glue gun, please be careful because it gets very hot. So what a hot glue gun is basically like a glue which is heated up and then used to bond two substances together. The trick here is just to make sure that you have everything nice and aligned. So if you don't have a hot glue gun, please also use an alternative of using any alternative glue. All-purpose glue will work perfectly fine as well. You know I love spray painting, so the reason I'm using spray paint is because it bonds very well on ceramics and also plastics as well. So in this stage, just as a bit of a tip, when you're spray painting, make sure that you give it enough time for it to dry within the coat. So I coated it with 2 different coatations all in all. So coming to the fun part, so I melted a candle behind the scenes, of course, and then I just poured it out, and it didn't melt as much as I wanted it to melt. I wanted the whole candle to melt, but I worked with what I had. So the amazing tip here, please make sure that the candle wick is up and running. My one was not standing upright, so make sure that yours is standing upright. You can use a stick to make sure that it's up and running. So this is an easy project. This is something that you can do overnight within 30 minutes and you'll be done. So let me know down in the comment section, is this something that you're gonna try? This is perfect for home decor. You can also use a plant as well. You can use many different options. You can use plastic, ceramic, and go ahead and enjoy all the DIY projects that you are doing. So anyone can DIY, so let me know down below. Until next time, bye.